Who needs to fill a W-8BEN form? If you are generating some income from the United States and you are not a resident of the United States, you need to fill up this form. For example, if you're earning from Google AdSense or if you're earning affiliate income from any of the American platforms, or if you're freelancing at any of the American platforms, then you have to fill up this form. Now, this form comes in two variants. One is for individuals, that is W-8BEN, and the other is for companies, that is W-8BEN-E. In this video, I will be filling up W-8BEN-E, but the process is more or less the same for W-8BEN as well. And when you fill this form, the platform that you are filling it on withholds 30% of your income to be paid as tax in the United States. However, in this video, I will demonstrate how you can claim a treaty benefit so that 0% of your income is withheld in the United States. So to begin with, you have to certify that you are not operating from the United States. So as long as you are not a resident of United States and you are not operating your business from within the United States, you can tick this. And then you have to select the country from where you are operating your business and where you reside. So in my case, that's India. And if you want to claim this treaty benefit so that they do not withhold any part of your income, you have to check this. This declares that we are entitled for this treaty benefit. And then it presents with four options that why are we entitled for this benefit? Which one of these four are you? So first is the publicly traded corporation, that is public limited company. We are not that. The last one is a special case. We are not that either. And people often get confused between these two. So I will explain what are these one by one. So second point is company that meets the ownership and base erosion test. So let's take an example of an Indian company. If the owners of the company, which could be directors, proprietors, or other entities that own the company, are all Indian, in that case, we will say that the ownership belongs to Indian entities. And base erosion test refers to the expenditures of the company. If more than 50% of the expenditures of the company goes to Indian entities, then we will say that we have passed the base erosion test. So some companies could fail this test. For example, let's say if you have employees in Philippines or if you're buying servers in Europe and if you're paying for APIs to American companies and the total of these expenditures is more than 50% of your total expenditure, then you will fail base erosion test. Now, third point is company with an item of income that meets active trade or business test. So what that means is that the business or trade is operating outside United States and the income in concern is directly related to this business that is actively in operation outside United States. So in case of an Indian software company, if your company is based in India, you are operating in India, you are paying taxes in India, and the income in concern is directly related to this company, you can take this. So in case of an Indian software company, you may take either two or three, both are equally good. And then there is this part where we claim our special treaty benefit. So in this UI, there is not many options. All I have to do is tick this, tick this, tick this, and it will withhold 0% of income. And this confirms that the income is not attributable to a permanent establishment in the United States. However, it is possible that your business, your platform may give you a PDF to fill in. In that case, you have to find these boxes, you have to tick these boxes and you will find a box, text box, where it will ask you the amount that you want to withheld in the United States. So it could be between 0 to 15%, depending on what your business is. In my case, and in this platform's case, this is supposed to be 0%. Therefore, I have ticked this. However, in some cases, this could be 15%. Now, this is the last part. Here we have to take this. And we have to take this. We are not a US person. We have to take this. We are either A, B, C, or D. I am one of these, so I will take this. I will take this. Now, because this is affiliate commission, it comes under this definition. I will take this. I want whatever I have filled in this form to be shared with this platform. And I will take this. I'm authorized on behalf of my company to sign this form. And I will fill in my details and I will submit it. That's it, and it's done. And now we have to fill this again the next year.